day 6 on the AT, and we just got back on trail. We just zeroed at a bed and breakfast called Your Home in the Woods Bed and Breakfast, and it was incredible. The reason for the zero was just that I got food poisoning, and basically I was up all night and I lost a lot of fluids. But here we are back on trail. I feel great. I feel fully recovered, which is a blessing for sure.
Okay, so this took forever, but Radio just realized that the bottom of my pack is clipped together for day pack mode. And like, that's why my pack has been so high. And so I'm gonna fix it right now. But like, look at this, let's have a comparison. Right? That's how tall it is.
Turn it around.
We adjusted it, and look, it goes all the way, almost all the way down below
my
the
gosh.
shoulders. I couldn't believe how, and it was like, this was like a problem. Wait, come to this side, come to this side.
Over back here.
This is the real test, right? I haven't changed my straps. Look at that.
That's so ridiculous. That's gonna be so much more comfortable too.
Oh my god. We have little leaves budding on some of these trees. Oh, they're on, what are you doing? Look at them coming back to life.
Wow, it's spring.
They're waking up after the winter. Oh!
Roxel, Georgia, am I right? It's been a great day back on trail.
It's raining!
The first day back since the food poisoning incident. And yeah, it's been a good day. It's gonna be our longest day so far, so that's pretty cool.
There's some trail magic down there.
That's Magic Mama. Magic Mama's van. So we're gonna hike down to her.
So we're hiking out from Coyote Gap, and we got really amazing trail magic there. It was just really great, and even though it's raining, like, we got a nice little stop, and we just get to kind of, you know, go up this mountain rested and ready. Look at these vines.
Oh, there's more.
Hey guys, I vomited.
Yeah.
And I ripped my pants.
Me too. It was pouring rain until about, I don't know. We went to sleep in pouring rain, and I woke up in the middle of the night and it wasn't raining, so probably raining until like 10 p.m., midnight, something like that. Now we're hiking to a shelter only 12 miles away, and we're trying to get there around midday so that we can be sure to get a spot in the shelter.
It's so cold.
It's pretty bad today, huh?
It's so cold. We're gonna be warm again.
Yeah, it's pretty hard. It's a tough day today.
My feet hurt. I'm have 6 miles left. Where to camp?
Well, we've hiked a mile since the water.
No.
Yeah.
No way.
Yes way.
Whoa.
Yeah. And so that means 4 miles. No, 5. Less than 5 miles to camp.
Wow.
Yeah. Probably 4.8. I'll check.
We're at the swag of the Blue Ridge.
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
That was our goal. And now we're here.
The best day of my life.
Yeah. You want a picture?
Oh God.
Sorry, girl. This is sad. So sad. Okay, so we're still hiking on this wet and rainy day. We're a little under 4 miles to Deep Gap, and we should be getting there. I would say before 2 p.m. And we're just gonna spend the rest of the day there, kind of drying out our stuff and waiting to go to what's it called? Hiawassee. This is a tree we found that fell over or something. Got big, fell over, did not die, and is now growing again. Like Coyote today. This is symbolic of Coyote today. It looks like a bird. This is like a bird of paradise flower.
So it is still raining, or it's dripping, but everything is wet. And we are actually hiking into town again because I got sick last night. I vomited up my ramen, and now Radio's feeling sick, so I don't think we wanted to go to town this early again, but it feels like we might have to. It's okay though, because like at least we won't be like sleeping in the rain again tonight. So we're in Hiawassee and we are going through our food to go to the store so we can resupply. And I didn't figure this out until now, but one of my bags has been ripped apart by tiny little teeth from a little mouse. And they ate about half of this Reese's.
It's a little stormy today, a little rainy still. This is our 0 today, so we're just at the store and then we're waiting for the shuttle, which should be coming in about half an hour to take us back to the hostel. Then we're gonna stay at the hostel. And then we'll get out early tomorrow morning and should have like one day of clear weather and then it's gonna rain again. Very fun. but we're gonna make sure to be in shelters each night. I think shelters each night will actually really improve our life.
This is 6 days worth of food. It's going right up to the top, right?
It's going pretty high.
This is mine.